Congratulations, Welding Class of 2020. It has been my privilege to see each and every one of you grow these past 2 years. I know this is not how we wanted to end this chapter in your lives, but like I've always said, life is going to throw you curveballs. It's how you respond that will make you a better person. It has been a great 2 years with each and every one of you. I hope you all have created some good memories that you always remember about the ECC Welding program. One more thing, just because you are now graduating does not mean I do not want to see or hear from you again. So I encourage you to come back and share with me your successes. I believe in each and every one of you. Best of luck in this next chapter in life. Now it is my privilege to now present to you your career passport. Riley ANDRACHEK, Zach BETTIKER, Mason Bias, Gage CHAPMAN, Justin Click, Robert Crawford, Gunnar Harrison, Colton Housley, Peyton IRISH-ARNETT, Austin KRANER, Donovan LEGG, Cole LOWE, AIDAN MALONE, Tyler Morris, Natalie Noble, Evan Parsley, Chase Rager, David SCURLOCK, Corbin Underhill, Nathaniel Wiley, Jonathan Wilson, Branson ZAISER.